I can't here to make your most wicked thoughts come to life. Literally, this sandwich is the most evil thing you could think of. It was! The most evil thing I could think of was me, and here I am. Hello, dear sir. 5 for 5! Put that down! Get out of here, Dementia!
Flog, get me my evil lotion for my evil, awesome body. The most evil thing I could think of is leaving the audience wishing for more of me.
Hello, my villainous viewers. It is I, Black Hat, here once again to provide you with the latest items to destroy all the goody-goody two-shoes in your life. Dr. Flog, is the shrink ray ready? If there's problems in your life, this device will let you shrink them out of your way. Now, some of you may be thinking, will this work on my enemies? Let's try it out and see. 505? Of course I do, you idiot. We're now running a new special, giant monster-sized bear. Perfect for stampeding through your town. Any takers? Evil. Hello, villains! Black Hat here with more goods you need to destroy the heroes in your life. Like this, my brand new anti-gravity ray. It had, Flog, how do I activate this hideous mechanism? Does it work or not? Flog, what's happening? Get me down! Ain't this, you idiot? No one wants a whole room to float away! Dementia, get us down! Now, why did you hit the button again? You, get us down now. I hate you all, priceless. Hello, inferior evil beings. Aren't you tired of unexpected guests in your villa of villainy? Not anymore with Black Hat's organization security system. Now turn it off so we can go back inside. You better find a way to get me back inside my own house. Took you long enough. Greetings, this is Black Hat, here to introduce the newest Buy It or Else in my catalog. The Medusa device. This malevolent machine can really create an imposing statue of the most important thing in your life. You. What's this? I don't look like that. Oh, get away, you idiot. I'll show you how it's done. Huh? Why, you little better. What? Blast it! Flog, what's wrong with this bloody thing?